We might die. Alright, the charginizer here was charginizing a little bit too much, causing this belt to just absolutely smoke itself. So we're going to try to tighten this up here a little bit. Need the right size wrench. Right size bolt spinner acquired. Get that sucker on there, and it's not the right size. Alright, now we got the absolute correct wrenchinizer here. There we go. Just want to crack that loose just a smudge. Grab your professional organizer tightener. Pry on something that doesn't crumple when you pry on it. And you want to just pull on that so you can play a tune on the belt. Get about like an E flat. Get that right there. Tighten it up right where it's at. Now she'll be singing true. Alright, let's see how she purrs. Oh, mint. No belt squeakage. We are good. Minimal oil squirting out the exhaust. Diesel. Can you handle so much power?
I don't know, dude.
So we noticed a little bit of a noise coming from the front here. We're gonna just check out, see what's going on. Ooh. That's good.
What?
What? Probably good we didn't drive it home, huh?
That's good.
All right, burnout time. Let's roll.
Misfiring. There's something. It's quiet. Oh my word.
We're gonna die.
It is not good. Got
Kind of almost stops.
not good brakes, but they're brakes. Yeah, this thing is not ready for.
This little girl's ready to go 150 in the quarter. Oh, there we go. We got reverse now.
This thing is not ready for any type of speeds anytime soon. Oh, we
See how she does in the corners.
We might have
yeah.
4 or 5 cylinders.
I really only need 4 or 5 out of 6 to make some power, so.
Got a couple of cylinders joining. Oh, check engine light.
Uh-oh, we better stop and make sure it's still there.
What is that screeching noise? That's flat out, boys.
Oh, it is so fast.
That's 50.
We're doing 50.
That's
Flat out, now we're doing 45.
That is scarily sketchy at 50 miles an hour. That is not confidence inspiring.
Oh boy.
Oh my word. Sheesh. I'm pretty sure there's No sway bars in the party up front there.
Yeah, I think maybe that missing bolt was kind of important on that sway bar.
You don't need sway bars. I mean, it's moving.
Whoa!
Some scary noises. Okay, bring her down. Let's see if this thing will... Off the... What was that? Turn sharp. Oof.
Oh, all the noises. Flat to the floor. Oh, we got
That's
10.
flat. Oh, we're getting her up in the R's now. She's
30.
gonna get happy. Let's see if it shifts.
Oh, yeah.
Is it gonna shift?
Ah!
It's got a mean shift to it.
It's got that shift kit.
We're going 50. It smells terrible.
It might be on fire.
It smells like it very well could be on fire. That's 60.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, your Fox body's in trouble.
There ain't no way my Fox body's keeping up with this
I
thing.
mean, it hit 60 with...
That was at least 15 seconds to 60.
That's probably a quarter mile.
Oh my goodness.
We're going 60. And the handling. I'm going to be doing a track dance.
Absolute autocross car right here.
Oh, that's bad, isn't it? Wow.
We might die.
Okay. Brakes? I mean,
It sort of breaks.
it's
I mean,
at this point, I'm calling it a daily driver.
yeah.
I can use some help, but
We definitely didn't look at the front brake pads and it was metal on metal, so I mean, it's good to go.
it has brakes on the back too for spare.
Yeah, well, the back brakes are really all you need.
First gear.
Will it rip a donut?
I have a feeling.
Oh, we
no.
got to go the other way around because that other wheel spins.
It is doggy. Maybe in the gravel. I'm thinking the gravel might be pushing.
Rides these bumps like
Honestly,
riding on clouds.
the bumps are non-existent.
Oh
I
yeah.
can't even spin in the gravel. We're gonna go.
She's gonna need some of them power adders. Oh, the good sounds. Oh yeah.
I can kind of do a donut in the gravel. Let's put it in the shot for it blowing up. Oh, that sounds
See
good.
how many flames and oil leaks we got going on here for our first drive. So still running. Oh, she shut off. We got volts going on. We got smoke rolling out of the hood. You don't gotta worry about the smoke. All that smoke coming out of the engine's just making room for extra power.